When was the last time somebody told you you're being ridiculous? The ridiculous challenge is all about being ridiculous. And what I mean by that, not in a way that's going to get you hurt or get you fired, but if you think about it, people who have invented things, created new technologies that didn't exist, were considered by many people to be ridiculous. They were asking for things that were just not able to be done at the time. They were thinking ahead. So I would encourage you to challenge yourself to be ridiculous. Maybe it's ask for more money at the job you're at. Maybe it's to ask for a promotion because you've been working hard. I'm about to head out and do something that many will consider completely ridiculous, and I'll be filming it, so you'll see a video coming in the next few days. So please hit that subscribe button and notification so that you'll be notified when that one is launched. But it really got me thinking, this whole process. You know, years ago, I was in marketing at a company, a Fortune 100 company, and I put a meeting together, and the meeting was titled, Why You Should Hire Scott. And a lot of the department heads thought, wait a minute, he already works here. And it was actually a meeting of why they should hire me for an open position. And I remember one of the general managers saying, what are you doing? This is ridiculous. I've never went to a meeting by an employee who wanted a promotion. So I didn't get it right then, but within a few months, I stepped into the role and eventually got it. So I would ask you, what can you do to be ridiculous and join the Ridiculous Challenge? Thanks for watching. Make it a great day. Oh yes, while you're still here, check out one of these videos and don't forget to subscribe.